This morning, we're going to talk briefly about 3 pigment mixes, making your own granulating colors, and how simple it is to do that. I've been going down the rabbit hole with granulating colors for a while now, and I've figured out that you can uh, primarily mix your own if you just play around with the pigments and you learn how to mix them. The secret is to mix it on the paper and not on the palette. So here I've got an example for you. This is PY3, PB35, which is cerulean blue chromium, and PR122, which is quinacridone magenta. So I've mixed it here. I've mixed it in a darker version here, but this is what it looks like if you mix it on the palette, and that's a darker mixture of the same thing, mixing it on the palette. This is imidazzolone brown and cobalt teal. This is a darker version of that, and this is mixed on the palette. I didn't mix this one quite as much as I mixed that one, but you can see the difference. If you want the granulating effect, mix it on the paper. If you want a smooth effect, mix it in your palette and then put it on the paper. This is another 3 pigment mix. This is PG50, which is cobalt teal, and ultramarine blue, and this is a wonderful granulating color, PR233, which is potter's pink. This is the same mixture in different quantities. This is the same mixture, but instead of using the potter's pink, I used an orange, PO53. You can see the difference there. So the combinations are endless with what you can do here. This is this mixture with the PO73 added. And you can see how beautiful that is. Let me just pull that up and show you the texture of that. It's absolutely gorgeous. So if you're wanting to play with it, just sit down and play with these colors before you use them in a painting, is what I would suggest. You don't want to find out that it makes an ugly, muddy mixture after you've put it down on your painting. So just spend some time playing with these colors and making up your own mixtures. But be sure and document them, because if you don't, you will not remember what you mixed. Because I have tons and tons and tons of these mixtures. On Patreon, I have an entire the ultimate mixing guide, and it's like 11 videos of just mixing color. So if you're interested in that, that's on Patreon at Southern Art Gallery.